Good morning and welcome back. This is our last day here in Portugal, and today we're headed to the Sintra Palace. It's one of the most beautiful attractions in Portugal. It was inhabited continuously from the 15th to the 19th century, and it's supposed to be really beautiful. It's a UNESCO site heritage. We saved this for the last day of our trip, and our cab is just here. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It will take us around 1 hour 30 minutes to reach there. And there are a couple of palaces there. It's a stretch of around 10-20 kilometers. There's a national park also. So we'll see how many palaces can we cover. So let's go. So now the hilly area has started. Sintra is on a hilltop. So it's a 15-20 minute uphill drive. And we've reached, and oh my god, look at the line. Abhi khula bhi nahi hai. People have already lined up. But we've made it on time. And plus हमने skip the line भी लिया हुआ है. So I think उसका फ़ायदा होना चाहिए. हो सकता है ये सारे skip the line वाले हों because it's not very expensive. And they're just waiting for the palace to open. Because it opens at 9 o'clock sharp. It's 8:55 right now. Right behind me is a very small part of Sintra Palace that is visible from the base. So in total there are 5 palaces, and right behind me there, the red one, is the Pinea Palace. This is not the main Sintra Palace. Once you reach there, then वहाँ से आप और आगे जाते हो to reach the Sintra Palace. So let's get in line and wait for our turn. हमारे आगे वाले ग्रुप में एक टूर गाइड चल रहा है, तो हम उसके थोड़े आसपास खड़े हैं ताकि हमें भी कुछ सुनाई दे. बट पता है बहुत मज़ा आता है फिर एट अ न्यू प्लेस एंड कोई टूर गाइड तुम्हें अच्छे से समझा दे कि ये है, इसकी हिस्ट्री क्या है, ये कब बना, you know, some key highlights about that place. Like that day I remember we were going to the Belém Palace and the cab driver was very helpful. On our way there he told us everything about the city, जो भी चीज़ें रास्ते में आ रही थी, and बहुत अच्छा लगा था सुन के. Because कहाँ we won't take the time to wherever we're going, open Wikipedia, read about it and do all of those things. I'll probably do it because I'm making this vlog, so before showing anything I'll try to read up on it. But वो भी ऊपर से, I won't go into the details, being very honest. Let's see if we can get one inside. And we're inside. I think it's going to be a very trekky day today.
Going to the Quinta de Regallaria, which is another castle, and it's supposed to have like this really deep well.
So we're waiting to go inside the Quintin de Regalia castle, and the line is really long. So very important tip, if any one of you are planning to come to any castle in Europe, please buy the skip the line also online before coming, because you never know how many people would come on that day and कितनी देर लाइन में लगना पड़ेगा. No, so all of these people are waiting in the line. हमारा भी 12 o'clock का slot है. अभी 11:30 वाले लोग अंदर गए हैं. So we just have to wait for another 15-20 minutes and then we'll head inside. Sun is out and the jacket is off. I think 10 to 15 more minutes and we should be able to go inside. So Pallavi has downloaded the audio guide. And वो क्या करने के लिए बोल रही है?
Meander.
So you're supposed to sprinkle this water on your face. It's supposed to bring you good luck. तो आज तो हमारी मस्त ट्रैकिंग हो रही है from one castle to the other castle. We're burning a lot of calories. So we're about to enter the well of initiation. So this was the point of initiation to join the secret society.
There are nine circles of hell.
As described by Dante in his Divine Comedy. So the idea is that 9 circles of hell and 9 circles of heaven also.
Paradise.
Paradise.
So done with this palace, taking a quick break. All of us were really hungry with all the walking, all the calories that we've burned. Okay, so done with the brunch. Now we're headed back to Lisbon. We have to do 2 more things before we head back. Number 1, we'll go to their monastery. And number 2, we'll take the tram 28. It'll take us around the entire city. It'll take us to the parliament, take us to the local attractions. And we're back in Lisbon. And quick update. So सबको अलग-अलग चीजें करनी थी. Satyam Tanvi wanted to go to the museum and Pura Didi Shumbya wanted to go to the monastery. So we're waiting for our cab. We'll see you on the tram. So we've reached the first station of the tram 28. It's supposed to take you to all the local attractions.
Hello. So now
Hello क्यों बोल रहा है?
I don't know.
मैंने पल्लवी को बोला, मैंने कहा tell everybody where are you going. कहती hello.
No, we're just going to climb on to the tram 12. So initially the plan was to go on the tram 28, but the line is huge.
It's
And
also
apparently tram 12 is a more authentic offbeat route to take rather than the tram 28, which is more commercial. That's what we are doing. So now we are waiting for the tram, and in one tram I think hardly 12 people come.
And tram 28 takes like
Longer.
2-3 hours. Tram number 12 takes you around in 40 minutes. It's not that it's faster, but it goes in a very limited area.
Yeah, the route is very
Number 28
circular.
goes to the entire city, so it takes longer. So we've gotten our tickets. They're valid for 1 hour. We can get off wherever we want to. So let's go. So after waiting for at least half an hour, हमारी बारी लगता है अब आने वाली है because we're first in the line. So that one is 28 and उसके पीछे is 12. And वैसे they say कि waiting time is 5 minutes, but उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. Let's see. Hopefully it's worth the wait. It's been 45 minutes that we are waiting here. And आ ही नहीं रही है बोल रहे हैं 5 मिनट. We just gave up. मतलब यहाँ पे वेट करने का कोई पॉइंट नहीं था. पूरा 1 घंटा वैसे ही वेस्ट हो गया हमारा. तो हमने टिकट्स वापस कर दिए हैं. We got our refund. But this is not worth it, guys. If anybody is coming here to Lisbon, you can skip the tram 28 or tram 12 or the hill one. Just cab it. Or if you're alone, you can take the Bolt, Lime. You're better off with that. हमने थक हार के कैब बुक करा लिए. We're going to the main commercial square. If you remember, we went to Tapas and Friends, which we really liked. I think we're going to go back there because nor do we have the time nor the energy to explore another place which will be good. So that's the plan. Sorry Pallavi, no tram.
It's okay. This was better. I couldn't handle it.
So we made our way back to the main square and feels so good to be out of that line. So anyways, now we're headed back to the main square. We're already there. So यही same lane थी जहाँ पे हम लोग गए थे on the first day. We're going back to the same place to sit down and enjoy some nice food. Yeah, so we didn't go to Tapas and Friends. We came to another place called La Vita e Bella. They had more options. And we're a little hungry, so we wanted to have proper lunch. How was your lunch?
Very nice. I also liked it.
Liked it?
Yeah.
So we're done with lunch, and now everybody else is also back to the main square. So we're going to meet them now. And Raat ko Tanvi has booked a Michelin star restaurant for dinner, which is called. Go to the Michelin star restaurant for dinner. And अभी हम लोग सब वही चेक कर रहे थे कि इंडिया में कोई मिशेलिन स्टार रेस्टोरेंट क्यों नहीं है.
Because the Michelin guide has not been officially launched in India.
Walking back towards the main square, and I spotted this Forza Portugal's official store, so I'm gonna go and check it out. So now the sun has set. Last evening in Portugal, so catching the last views and then heading back to our Airbnb. Welcome back. This is our last night in Lisbon. So we thought, why not go to a Michelin star restaurant? We were saving it for tonight and we're headed there right now. Let's go. And the best part is that it's an Indian restaurant. Both of us are really excited to experience a Michelin star restaurant. It's going to be my first time to a Michelin star restaurant. Guys, koi gaya Michelin star restaurant?
No.
And we've reached the restaurant. It's called The Oven. Reservation is at 9:30. It's 9:25 right now. We're on time. So let's go inside.
In a few seconds, they're joining the table.
In a few seconds, guys.
Oh my god, the food was so good.
It was delicious. The Peshawari
Jumeshwari.
chicken, the pudina chicken, even the dal, everything, the garlic naan. It was just delicious.
I don't
Loved
even
it.
like food, but this was something.
Even the papad, bhai. Papad
Even
and
the
chutney.
naan.
Oh, the tomato chutney. Oh my god.
मतलब इतना अच्छा खाना था ना. तो मान गए that a Michelin star restaurant is a Michelin star restaurant because of the food that is served on your plate. Best meal of the trip. तृप्ति मिल गई. I can't stop talking about how good the food was.
पहले seat belt पहन
It was really good.
Seat belt पहन ले पहले.
Really good. Seat belt मेरा पेट बाहर आया हुआ है.
नहीं पहनो.
It was really good. मतलब तन्वी बोली थी shit यार पेट भर गया और खाना था. To our Airbnb. Welcome back. It's 2:30 a.m. right now and we're at the airport. Our flight leaves at around 5:55. This is where we end the vlog series of Portugal. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much and see you in the next one very soon.